Ay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Alam mo, happy siya.
Masakit?
Guys, alam nyo, I understand fully everything that's happening.
Hey,
It's just that I can't
capture Sam.
Okay.
correctly.
So Pam, what is the science of dealing? Can you explain it to us?
Dealing is a verb. Game. Oh my goodness gracious, great balls of fire. I'm not good with math, to tell you the truth.
Miss Deal na agad?
Balls, fuck you! I'm a little bit drunk.
Ligo!
My lips are really thick right now. We really need to get next to me. Okay, let's play na, no? Ika naman yun, Jo. Oh, you're up. Babe, I need water. Do you have water?
Do you have tea, sir?
I don't even have shortbread. Cup of tea? I don't even have shortbread. And look at myself.
Wala na, pack up na.
It is already 23:27. 11:27 at
Pam, when is your birthday?
March 29th.
Ano? Ano?
What's your birthday?
March 20th, 1982.
How old are you now?
Oh my goodness. It's quite annoying.
29 ka na?
Oh my goodness.
I thought your birthday was on the 20th.
I said 20th.
How about your 29 now?
Oh, I said 20th.
Ba't kayo tumatawa?
My British accent.
We're boys. We're I do not
Oy.
have a British accent.
You guys will see this on YouTube tonight.
The kill, that's why. Okay, now what?
Si Pamela.
Pamela, oh.
Goodness gracious, we go.
Pamela 1, Pamela 2 yung tag.
Go!
La 1.
Guys, too many cameras. Paparazzi. Goodness, di ko pwede mag-artista. Ay, ano ba yan? May ice.
What are you drinking, Pam?
Water. Water? Water. Because everybody from my family is from Australia. What's that? Actually, we work for T-Mobile, but for Telstra instead. There are 32 LOBs from Telstra. There are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Hindi ko weird. Please. Nakapal na ang labi ko.
Ginagawa nyo? Huh?
That's
What are you guys doing? What is this girl-to-girl action?
Foursome is the best way to go.
Oh, what is this?
Macy is laughing, so she is not.
Oh my God!
Ano, babe? Are you
I have something like this. I have something
What's it?
Okay na, lalabas na. Lalabas na.
Wait, but wait.
Hi, Bob.
Hello. Ano yan?
Girl and girl action.
Parang di baterya yan ah. Di baterya ba yan?
Oh my goodness. You know what? Oh no.
Parang 6 na AAA yan ah.
Ay! Anim? No,
Anim, ano yan?
it's 4.
4 na double A o triple?
Double A. Yeah. 4 and double A. He gave that to me last November. He gave that to me last November.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
It's something long, 6 inches long.
Oh.
It's thick. Like the circumferential is about 3.5. Oh, no.
Do you mean circumference?
Circumferential.
Is it circumference? Circumference.
Ayun.
Okay ba? Ano po yan? Ate. Ate, ano po yan tinatago nyo? Ate, ano yan? Ano yung tumutunog? Ba't may buzzing sound? Ano?
There's an interval of 5 seconds.
Oh, ayun o. Binibenta kayo ni pa.
And it's for a double A. Because it even has like those thingy-majig that has
So, Australian ka ngayon. Do you have one?
secret. Shit ka, Bogs. Gago.
Ano pa tayo?
Ha? Later.
Ayoko na.
Maybe at 12 o'clock. Kasi 23, 27 pa lang.
23? Ba't may Australian?
So, hindi mo ba birthday?
Hindi pa. 18 pa lang.
Hindi pa! Napaka round ng mga vowels mo.
Exactly.
Grabe. Wala ka ng Filipino vowels.
No.
Para kang,
My first language was English.
para kang taga Cleveland.
And then when I was in grade 4, that's when I learned Tagalog. And sinampal ako ng
Tagalog.
chinelas ng nanay ko. Because I couldn't understand panghalip. Ang pronoun niya.
Ano ba yung... Parang hindi ko nga alam kung ano yung pronoun.
Pronoun, he, she, it, man.
Ayun ba yun?
What are you talking about?
Pronoun ba yun?
In Tagalog, panghalip, o, di ba?
Ano yung panglapi?
Oh, God gracious.
Panglapi.
Panglapi.
Verb yata yan eh, hindi ba?
Wait lang, nakakapal ang labi ko.
Eh ano yung noun?
Noun.
Halip.
No, noun would be pangalan. Pangalan. Nico, nanggaling ka lang sa Australia. Ay, sa Alaska. Parehas lang letter A yun, no? Pero Alaska.
Nico, marami bang isda sa Alaska?
O nga, Nico. Marami bang frozen.
Salmon doon?
Oy, masarap. Ano? I had that for breakfast. With scrambled eggs and sunny side up. Goodness gracious, ikaw kaya yung lagi mo matalo.
Matalo. It's matalo, babe.
Medyo may slung ka na. Sabihin mo nga, the quick brown fox
Oh, no,
jumps over the lazy dog.
I remember that. It was December of 2006 when I signed a contract. Gago ka. Gago made me sign a contract.
Gago ka. Sabi ko, Pam, okay lang yan. Pirmahan mo na. Pirma ka.
Made me sign it and now I'm 5 years stuck with Teletech. Fucking
Gago ka.
shit. The quick brown fox.
No, curious talaga ako sa nangyayari dito. Ano dito eh. Oh.
Nico! You're rolling over. Si Pamela. No. Oh my God. James. Let's repeat. Oh no, Nico. Si Pamela. Nico, I cannot. That was like fucking third year. Si Pamela. Jamie, tulak mo. When I was cutting hair. When I was cutting hair for Nina and for Sandy.
Oh, Sandy, Shublig.
Sublig, putang ina. Grabe to, so funny. Anyway, highway. How can we go downstairs? Magsaslide ka. Yung contacts ko na nilito. Ito sa window. I think solution. Anyway, highway.
Ito, 8 o'clock pa lang, lasing na to eh. Pag ganun, this is Elmo Magalona.
Then, alt.
Wait lang, sinong nawawala?
How many babes do you have?
How many what?
Babes. How many loves of your life?
Fucking shit.
Nako! Magandang tanong.
Nako.
Sue Pamela.
Fucker.